Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing up for your Peacock account. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app Peacock. While the app is loading, let me give you a short description about it. Peacock is the premium video streaming service run by NBCUniversal. The Comcast-owned media company launched the service in mid-2020. It's home to classic and recent shows from NBCUniversal's various broadcast and cable networks, along with the films from Universal Pictures, DreamWorks Animation, and Focus Features. So let's get started and find out how you can sign up for a Peacock account. Once the app has fully loaded, tap on the sign in option at the top right. After that, tap on the sign up option at the top right. Now you need to enter your email address. After that, create a password for your account and re-enter it in order to confirm it. Once you have done that, check on the box that says I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Finally, tap on start watching, and that's it. This is how you can register for a Peacock account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.